Want to create calming atmosphere at home? Meet the Rainbow Bear Humidifier Essential Oil Diffuser. This beautifully designed diffuser adds a touch of sober side to any space. Simple to use, just add water, a few drops of favorite essential oil. With a simple press, it starts diffusing a fine mist, filling your room with soothing aromas. Enjoy the benefits of humidifier and aromatic glaze with quiet operation and LED lighting. Choose from multiple LED colors to match your mood and enhance your environment. Perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, and offices. It's your go-to for relaxation and